Greetings, this is Shishti Khemka, your host at Usher, and today I'll be giving you a detailed walkthrough of the Carpooling app. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Once users have downloaded the application, the home page will appear like this. They can either click on login if they already have an account or click on sign up to create an account. After entering the email address, password and phone number, users can successfully sign up to the application. They will also receive a code to verify the email address, and upon verification, they will have to allow their location for the app to track, after which they'll be successfully taken to the application. Users can also reset their password from the forgot password option in case they don't remember it. They simply have to enter the email address, click on send, they have to verify the email address, and then they can create a new password for themselves. They have to confirm the new password and click on save. The password will get successfully changed. They can now go back to the login page, enter their email address and the new created password, and then click on sign in. To get a ride for their location, users have to click on the where are you going button and then enter the destination they want to travel to. They'll get options and then they have to select one of the options, and they can now find all the details relevant to their trip over here. Then they can click on proceed to pay. They can choose from the various payment options that they have saved in the application. They can also add a card from over here by clicking on the add card button. Then they have to enter the name, credit card, the other details such as expiry date and CVV, and then click on save. The new card gets saved to their database, and now they can click on pay and pay from the new card as well. Once this is done, the booking has been successfully placed. User can also access other features of the application by clicking on the top left button that opens up to this panel, where the user can choose to view his trips by clicking on the My Trips button. Here he can find out about all the upcoming trips that they have or the completed trips, and they can also leave a rating and all the cancelled trips for their account. In order to leave a rating, they need to click on the rate right button. They need to choose the amount of stars they want to rate it and then click on submit. In case users want to cancel an already booked trip, they need to click on the cancel ride button and then click on yes, and the ride will get cancelled. In order to make any changes to the account settings, the user can go to the settings option from this panel and choose to switch on or switch off the notifications as required. They can also add or change the details of their payment methods from this section, and they can also reset their password from this panel over here. The user can also edit his profile details from this panel right here and click on edit details, enter or change the details as per necessary, and then click on save. In order to look at all notifications of the application, the user can click on this icon right here and they will get an update of all the notifications from the app. Lastly, to log out of the application, users simply have to click on the logout button and then click on yes, and they will get logged out of the application. Thank you. I hope you like this video, and stay connected and stay tuned for other such videos from Idea Show. Thank you.